Rain already? Come on. What is up, everyone? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are viewing from. Welcome to another episode of Shea All Day. Today, we're gonna go on a dog adventure. We're going on a local hike with the pups. We're gonna go see the wisdom tree. Thanks for hanging out. Subscribe to the channel, double bump that bell. Make sure you're notified every single time we go on another crazy adventure. These pups, this husky rules. And the highest caliber back there. Make sure you subscribe to them. Follow them on Instagram, all the things. Let's get to this adventure. Are you guys excited? Callie, are you excited? Rain, are you excited? That means they're excited. All right, guys, the Wisdom Tree. It's a 3.5-mile hike in Hollywood. We got about a 20-minute drive. Sunset is in about an hour and a half. We gotta move. I told you, I'm vlogging. Stop interrupting me. First, before we do anything, Red Bull. Hello. Man. Callie, are you ready to go? Ray, you ready to go? We're ready. They don't want to listen. Callie, come on, let's go. Rain, are you ready? Come on. Hey. All right. Whoa. Rain already? Come on. Yeah, completely makes sense. 30 seconds into the trip, doggy duty time. Make sure to bring your bag, guys. Come on. And it begins. Now. Whoa. All right, y'all, we're about 5 minutes into this hike. I'm dying already. Callie, you're whipping my ass. I only have 2 legs. You have 4. Can you slow down, please? Callie cam is working. Baby, how you doing? Of course. Gosh, shut up. All right, let's go. I can feel it everywhere, not just my calves. Yeah. We're only halfway. All these girls are kicking my ass.
But that sunset though. But that sunset though. But that sunset. But that sunset though. No. But that sunset.
We're not going to that one. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Let's go. Made it. Just before sunset. That's the wisdom. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about the Wisdom Tree adventure today. Smash the subscribe button. Double bump that bell. Make sure you're notified every single time. We're at another peak in the world, doing another crazy adventure with the pups. And Blanca over there. We made it, babe. We made it. All right, so check out these drone shots. It's beautiful up here. some of the things that happen when you have an Instagram relationship. I gotta film, you gotta film me, filming you. It's kind of how it goes. You gotta get the shot, right? Rain, so what do you think about that hike, huh? Is that fun?
Kelly said no.
Yeah, I don't think they're happy right now. Callie, what do you think? Callie, you want to go? You want to go? All right, guys, we did it. We made it all the way back to the gate without getting chased by a mountain lion or slipping on some rocks. Well, I mean, I slipped on a couple rocks, but Rain over here, she killed it. Callie, you're amazing. Babe, well, you're amazing. You are the most amazing. And we'll see you next time. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you. Bye.